Hi guys, it's Meg, your instructor for your WED 151 course. I just wanted to go over with you briefly the library resources and how you will use that for your final project. So over here on your main page on Canvas, on your left-hand side, you'll see library resources. You're going to go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the GCC Library's Nutrition and Fitness page. We fall under the EXS or Exercise Science Department. So you will use this main page and scroll all the way down until you see alternative therapies. Then you'll click on alternative therapies. And this is really where the bulk of the information that you are going to use for your final project is located. Right here, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, Health Topics A to Z. That's going to provide an overview of topics and links to academic and clinical resources for your final project. So you will pick one of those topics. If you have questions, a lot of times this little pop-up box over here from the librarian will pop up. You can also locate that in other places to chat with them. But that's where you'll use your health topic or pick your health topic. The main page is here. So just clicking on any of these reliable websites and determining a topic that you want to do for your final project. Again, that is something that brings interest to you. Maybe that was a topic that we covered in the class that you wanted to dig into a little bit deeper. Maybe it was a topic that we didn't cover in class that you just want to know more information about. If you're having trouble picking a topic or having trouble with information, just shoot me an email or a message in Canvas. I am happy to help you. So make sure you go over these reliable websites, pick your topic, and continue to move forth from there. Also, another really important part of information that you're going to want to pay attention to is the website evaluation. This is what that quiz about the final week's quiz is going to be specifically about how to appropriately evaluate a website in order to make sure that it is both peer-reviewed, that it is quality, that your that your website is actually quality and the information that you are getting is actually peer-reviewed. As we know, anyone can post anything they want online, so making sure that the information that you are using is quality is extremely important. So make sure you do review the website information. It goes through, the librarians have actually structured this specifically to the alternative med topic. So this is a really great website for you guys to make sure you're using a ton of information on here. So good luck with finding a topic and picking a topic. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and be sure to use this library resources page and information, as it's extremely beneficial and was curated specifically for this class from the librarians. Have a great week.